डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में मेथड ऑफ सॉल्विंग डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, जिसपे टाइप वन dy by dx इक्वल टू टाइप वन dy by dx इक्वल टू f of x, देन dy इक्वल टू f of x इंटू dx। अगर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन f of x के फॉर्म पे हो केवल, तो आप सबसे पहले dy को अलग कर लेंगे, फिर f of x इंटू dx करेंगे, साथ ही इंटीग्रेटिंग बोथ साइड, देन इंटीग्रेशन dy इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन f of x dx। आगे इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ dy इज ओनली y एंड देन फाइनल आंसर इज इंटीग्रेशन f of x dx प्लस c। कुछ इस फॉर्म पे होंगे। Now the first question is solve dy by dx equal to 2x by x square plus 1। सिंस ये जो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है ये फॉर्म वन के हैं, सिंस dy by dx equal to f of x, then dy by dx equal to dy equal to 2x by x square plus 1 dx। Integrating both sides, we get dy equal to 2x by x square plus 1 dx। Integrating both sides, we get integration dy equal to integration 2x by x square plus 1। Now our difference between numerator and denominator is 1, so putting denominator part t, then dt by dx equal to 2x, since differentiation of x square is 2x, we find relation between dx and dt, so cross multiply, we have dt equal to 2x into dx, so now replace 2x dt as dt and x square plus 1 into t, since integration of dy is y and integration of dt by t equal to integration dt by t equal to log t, so y equal to log t plus c, and y log t, if t is x square plus 1, so y equal to log x square plus 1 plus c, which is the required answer। नाउ आज का सेकंड प्रॉब्लम है सॉल्व dy by dx इक्वल टू 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos of x। Since dy by dx is a function of f of x, so सबसे पहले सेपरेट करेंगे, एक dx को राइट साइड शिफ्ट करेंगे। नाउ उस dy by dx उससे पहले कुछ रिजल्ट यूज करेंगे, जो कि 1 माइनस कॉस ऑफ x इक्वल टू 2 साइन स्क्वायर x बाई 2 एंड 1 प्लस कॉस x इक्वल टू 2 कॉस स्क्वायर x बाई 2। देयरफॉर dy by dx इक्वल टू 2 1 minus cos x replace as 2 sin square x by 2 divided by 1 plus cos x replaced by 2 cos square x by 2. Now 2 cancel out and sin by cos is tan. So sin square by cos square equal to tan square x by 2. Now dy by dx equal to tan square x by 2. Then dy equal to tan square x by 2 dx. So integrating both side, we have integration dy integration tan square x by 2 dx. Since integration of tan square is not direct formula, so use tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. So tan square x by 2 is replaced as sec square x by 2 minus 1. Integration of dy is y and integration of sec square is tan square. Sorry, integration of sec square is tan x. So integration of sec square x by 2 is a tan x by 2, but there is x by 2. Coefficient of x is 1 by 2. So we divide 2. So use by multiply 2. And integration of 1 is x plus c. Now the third problem is solve e to power x plus e to power minus x dy by dx equal to e to power x minus e to power minus x. Solution now dy by dx equal to we multiply dx and ex plus e to power minus x divide, then we have dy equal to e to power x minus e to power minus x by e to power x plus e to power minus x dx. So now integrating both sides, we get integration dy by ex minus e to power minus x dx by ex plus e to power minus x. Since ये जो फॉर्म है ये न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में दोनों जगह पर आपकी एक्सपोनेंशियल है, उस केसेस में क्या करते हैं, जो डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट के होते हैं फंक्शन उसको हम टी पुट कर लेते हैं. जिससे dt by dx जो हो जाएगा डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ ex इज ex but differentiation of e to power minus x is differentiation of e to power minus x dx by e to power minus x is minus e to power minus x. So we use dt by dx equal to e to power x minus e to power minus x. So we have dt equal to e to power x minus e to power minus x dx. So now replace ex minus e to power minus x dx equal to dt. So we have integration dy equal to dt by t, but integration of dy is y and integration of dt by t is log t plus c, but t is ex plus e to power minus x. So final answer is y equal to log e to power x plus e to power minus x plus c.